has.
Come on, Jakey, let's go see what Max and Beth were barking at.
Pink.
They were green and pink. I think it has some here. Where are our eggs on our walk? Eggs.
Don't know.
Oh, there they are!
Probably your sister.
Oh my goodness!
Okay.
Pink eggs and purple eggs.
Wow, look at all the colors.
Yellow.
Uh-oh, that pair's holding on.
Is this Jake's or mine?
No, the Easter Bunny brought him. He knows you guys
knows
share. He knows. Whoopsie, don't throw them in there. You'll break the eggs.
Yeah.
They're not real. Can this one attach? Here's another egg.
There you go.
Here's a helmet.
A helmet.
A helmet?
Oh my goodness. How did that get there?
How about climbing down and just carrying your basket? Here, Sam.
You gotta carry it.
Jake, you want me to reach that for you?
Go find some eggs.
But that's mine. I want this.
You want.
Wow, look at the spiders on that.
Where else do you see stuff?
Here, Mom.
You get up there?
Video.
Oh!
You found some eggs. Go, Jakey, go.
Get those eggs.
That's what I found.
A bunny. Oh my goodness.
Good job,
I
Jake.
found 3 eggs.
Awesome. You find some more?
Beautiful.
I found the golden egg.
Ooh.
I found it. Here's one of your eggs. I found the golden egg.
Oh, put it in your basket.
I found it.
Good job.
I'm back.
Oh, you see any more eggs?
Jake, there's a green egg here that Pete's trying to get. Maybe you better come and get it. He found a green egg for you.
I'm back.
You
They're
are.
fast. That's true.
Oh, I see another egg right there. It's for Jakey. And there's a lizard with it right
A
there.
lizard?
Right there, Daddy.
Oh, we'll have to get it.
There's a blue one.
Oh.
There's a toy rabbit.
Yeah?
Daddy, here you go. Oh, Jakey. Wait until I come down. Oh, Jake, there's lots of your eggs here.
You want to climb up the rope?
Jake, I'll bring some of your eggs down.
Why don't you try rolling them down the slide?
No, they'll break.
They will.
And
They will break.
break out the candy.
You're fast.
Candy
Oh, Sam, there's a. Oh, wait, Jakey's gonna get it. Jakey's coming to get it, honey.
I got them in my basket.
Well, he's coming to see.
Oh, Jakey, you passed one.
What?
Look up
Look
top.
on the railing.
I'm fast.
You see
Yeah.
a green one? Yeah.
Look around. I see one. Look behind you. Look up.
I'm fast.
Be careful of the hole.
Yeah.
You gotta step way over. Can you do that?
You can do it, big.
Oh, first team get these.
Hold on, baby.
Drop one at a time. Whoops. Drop the other. That'll work.
Jakey, I found some of your green eggs and put them in my basket so you can get them. Get the green eggs. I couldn't
Sam, I see some of your colors. Why don't you slide down the slide with your basket?
Here's another.
Can you slide down your slide with your basket and stop at the top so Pop Pop can focus?
Huh?
Slide down with that.
Here.
Just put it
Now
in your
let's just
lap.
raise the basket.
That's what I'm going to do.
Okay, Jakey, put them through the hole. Gently. Woo!
Did you get that, maybe?
It's not halfway down.
I got a duck
All right, big boy.
and a yellow egg.
Right.
I'm fighting.
Here's Sam.
Yeah, I'll put the bunny in here. Whoa, baby.
Sammy.
Yeah?
She's working.
She's working. Okay.
Wait for Pop Pop to stay. You go.
Okay, go.
Go down, Jake.
Hold on.
Jake, Jake. Pop Pop's ready. Take.
And I got Oopsie.
Yeah.
All right, take your
I got
basket
it.
and see if you can find any
Shake
more
it,
eggs.
but we would have to get Sammy doing it again.
You see any back here, Jake?
If I can't push me, I'm too fast for the if I can catch me.
I'm too fast for the Easter Bunny to get.
If I can't catch me.
No, you
You
can't.
see any more eggs,
Go,
Jake?
Jakey, go.
There's some.
Seems like all the ones with the ones in front of them.
If I can't pull me.
Addie's funny. Tricky.
Probably. And there's some here I'll get after. If I can't pull me. No time to pull him. I'm too tricky. If I can't catch me.
Whoopsie. I fit in the basket. Here, baby. You want it back?
No.
Gum came out.
If I can't pull me.
You can't.
No, because I'm too fast.
You're too
Go
fast.
Uh-huh.
Careful with your shoes.
I'm fast. He can't catch me. He can't catch me. He can't catch me. Dada, it's dangerous for me to come down.
Here, you can put your foot. Let me have your foot.
Oh my
Right
goodness.
there. Yeah, this cracked out.
All right.
Thought I should tell you.
Okay.
Pull me.
Oh, you got lots of eggs.
He can't pull me.
And here's the one you saw.
Jakey, look at this one. Hey, the girls some eggs.
Hey, Jake.
This is yours. It has a
Hey,
J.
Jake. Wait a second.
Mama,
Let me hold. I'm going to
These
lift
are
you up a
green.
minute, and you need to look. What do you see?
a green egg.
You do? Okay,
Favorite.
there. There's your others. Take them to your basket.
If I can't pull me. He can't pull me. He can't pull me. He can't pull me.
Jacob.
Can the Easter Bunny fool you, Jake?
No, he can't pull me. He can't pull me. I'm too fast. I'm very fast. So I'm too fast for him.
Oh, you match your basket, Sam.
I'm too fast.
What's by your foot, big girl?
I'm too sneaky. I'm too sneaky.
Are you too sneaky?
Pop-Pop might have said
I already have one.
Well, that's all right.
Okay.
If I can't pull me.
I see some over here.
You get some out of the kitchen. Sammy sells some in the kitchen. Go look in the kitchen.
Oh, Jackie, there's your ducky. If I can't pull me. He can't pull me. He can't pull me. He can't pull me. He can't pull me.
You found a little pink one.
He can't pull me.
Oh, that's a tiny one.
Go.
Yeah, I found all the eggs.
I had sent you look on the.
If I can't pull me. Can't pull me.
Can't fool you.
Can't pull me. Can't pull me.
There might be some more in the kitchen, Jake.
Sammy? Oh, go look in the kitchen, Sammy.
Look in the refrigerator.
Oh, my goodness. And in the microwave.
If I can't fool me. He can't fool me. He can't fool me.
Can he fool you?
It can't hold. I think there's maybe some in the refrigerator. Go
Hey,
look in
Jack,
the
I
refrigerator.
see one in the garage.
My goodness, Sam, come put them in your basket.
Oh, a wooden lunchbox hanging.
Let's get those in your basket, big girl. How many eggs do you have?
Him, catch me.
What's on the wall?
That's
You
right.
need your basket?
I'm too fast. I'm too fast.
I saw something behind this door.
Jakey, look what Sammy spotted. Look up.
Right.
A bag for me. And there's an egg I found.
That looks like a lunchbox.
Hey, follow me. He can't move me. Oh, I got this from the egg.
What?
Oh, there's another egg over here.
Oh, Mommy found another egg.